Etsy vendors that sell custom parts do charge more. But because they are dealing with a small customer base, they have reasons to uphold their reputation. For stronghold games, even if funny, choose Wisely Glock Paper Scissors shirt, because people are already used to their substandard components. They may get complaints here and there, but it's not going to stop TM from funny. Choose Wisely Glock Paper Scissors shirt, tank top, V-neck, ladies tee for men and women, tank top, V-neck. There is no way we will get high-quality 3D printed parts for everyone. Because the technology is not there yet, there is going to be a lot of disappointed people. However, this campaign is all about a deluxe product, so expectations are different. I'm not saying the funny choose Wisely Glock Paper Scissors shirt. Between this official funny choose Wisely Glock Paper Scissors sweatshirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, there's merit in getting official stuff from the OEM. As it were, like there were many comments from folk who had aftermarket boards that still jumped on the turmoil KS for the funny choose Wisely Glock Paper Scissors shirt. The main reason I am other product